Ar ôl 6 mis yn gweithio fel swyddog ansicrwydd bwyd I Pentref Tyleri, arosys ymlaen I oruchwylio'r prosiect gwlyptir, oedd yn dipyn o newid, ond yn un I gwarsawu. Galluogodd cysydd cyfoeth naturiol Cymru I ni'r creu gwlyptir trefol 600 medr sgwâr, sydd wedi helpu ddarparu cynefin naturiol gryb I amphibiaid, adar ac invertebratau fel gweision y neidr. Mae gan y tair ardal gors a gynwyswydd gennym yn gallu dal llawer iawn o ddŵr I ryddhau'n araf yn ystod gyfnodau o law trwm. Ac mae detholiad o blanhigion brodorol sy'n caru'r dŵr I ychwanegu yn ystod yr wythnosau nesaf a fydd yn helpu creu crystogfa o ddŵr ffô wyneb. Mae lle yn gweithio'n dda iawn gyda Caffi Tyleri a gall pobl ddod I eistedd a mwynhau paned o de neu coffi wrth fwynhau'r golygfeydd dros y dyffryn. Un o elfennau mwyaf boddhaol y prosiect oedd clydlennu gefnogaeth gwirfoddolwyr. Drwy gydol 6 mis y prosiect, roedd dros 2,000 o oriau gwirfoddoli ynghlwm wrth greu'r man gwyrdd ryfeddol hwn.
We were hoping for a bit more biodiversity with the area, because before it was just a boggy grassland with a couple of containers on it and we couldn't really do anything with it. We wanted to create a bit of everything to encourage a wild range of species, from amphibians to local birds around the area. So we created a pond to hopefully inhabit some of those, and we also created a lovely seating area where you can just relax and chill. Being part of the project has improved my well-being amazingly. As a young person, you do worry about the implications of climate change, as it's comforting to know that you'll be able to do something with this.
Well, during my time at Cwmtyleri, I've really enjoyed quite a lot of things. I've enjoyed getting out in the outdoors, enjoying the nature, the sides of it. I've enjoyed just digging and everything, just making sure that it's all everything's just all prepared for.
As a local resident and beekeeper, the building of the wetlands has been an educational and fun project to be part of. It's a very positive way to use space, regenerating what used to be the site of Cwmtyleri colliery. It creates something that's very attractive, that will provide haven for wildflowers and also welcome habitat for wildlife to return to the site again.
Mae'n anhygoel I fod yma I weld y datblygiadau sy'n digwydd, dim ond jyst gyda caffi yma, ond gyda gwlyptir ar y ffaith bod ni'n gweithio gyda sefyll gwyrdd ni. A I feddwl oedd hwn y hen safle o safle'r hen bwys glo Cwmtyleri, lle oedd lot o bobl yn gweithio yn y gorffennol, ond nawr ni'n edrych tuag at dyfodol cyffrwyth gweithio, lle ni'n gallu gweithio gyda sefyll gwyrdd ni a hefyd bydd hwnna'n helpu pobl gyda lles ac iechyd nhw. So mae'n bwysig I bobl I fynd mas, cyfuno gyda natur, bwyd natur, y byd natur. Mae hwnna'n helpu nhw gyda lles ac iechyd nhw. Ni'n gwybod hefyd bod siawns fan hyn a tu fas iddyn nhw cymdeithasu gyda'i gilydd, a bydd hwnna'n helpu nhw os ydyn nhw'n teimlo'n unig. Ni'n gwybod yn pobl sy'n teimlo'n unig yn mwy na tebyg yn fynd I diodde gyda iechyd meddwl nhw a lles nhw. So mae siawns fan hyn nawr I datblygu beth sydd gyda ni yn yr ardal yma, y seddau gwyrdd, a bydd hwnna'n helpu pobl gyda lles a iechyd nhw, a dyna beth sy'n angen fan hyn. A gobeithio bod ni'n edrych ymlaen at dyfodol hollol cyffrous, lle ni'n gallu helpu pobl, y planed a'r amgylchedd lleol hefyd.
Outdoor learning environment has just been amazing for our learners. You know, it's really allowed them to access the natural environment and to learn those natural skills, which is really important for our learners to have those opportunities which they've really enjoyed. They've also really been eager to attend every week. Every week they're constantly like, we're going to the wetlands, and that's just priceless for our learners. Also, the Wetlands project has really helped them with their social skills as well, and working with the outer and wider community as well. It's been a real privilege for our children to come here and have these opportunities, get involved, and they've really enjoyed it.